백yen의 푸드톡.
Lomito is a very popular sandwich in Chile because it's unique taste. It's a very good combination between pork meat and avocado, and it's very soft. Feel very soft in the mouth.
Then you have to put the meat in the casserole to cook it, and then you put the water, you put the beer, which is about a can of beer, and the beer gives a nice taste to the meat and give it also it make it tender. After you cook it, you can take it out of the pot. You cut it very slice very thin, and then you put it again to soak it in the juice of the cooking because it make it moist and soft. To make the sandwich, you have to choose a nice ripe avocado and then smash it and make a puree, and then you can use mayonnaise and ketchup and chili, and then you can put all that in the sandwich and it will be okay. And then we use it a lot during the parties, birthday, and it's an informal dinner. So lomito can be missed from the Chilean traditional cooking or food.
El programa Food Talk de 100 personas se trata de una campaña para apoyar a niños que no tienen que comer.